Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each one of you. Last meeting, we discussed about the three types of prevention, and it is stated that primary prevention means the prevention of diseases itself. Okay, when you are having a disease and you don't want the disease to grow and create negative implications on your body, then that is primary prevention. However, for the secondary prevention, this is refers to the early detection and timely treatment of diseases. And when we say tertiary prevention, this is a reduction of negative implications of long-term, usually chronic diseases. Okay. So one motivation also why this book in Health Information System, okay, was written is because of the life situations. And also just to reiterate the context of what we are studying, life situations, sabi natin nung nakaraan, iba't iba po yung culture natin, iba't iba din yung view natin sa sakit, iba't iba yung view po natin sa health. That's why the element no na prevention ay na-share po natin. No? And the second element in the life situation that we need to understand as we link no the healthcare and also the life situation is no other than the word wellness. Okay? So the term wellness is a term related to prevention as it also focuses on living in good health. In the context of wellness, the term fitness can also be found. Therefore, wellness and fitness activities usually take place in our normal daily lives and at the location where we live and work. Okay? Sometimes, wellness activities are done at wellness centers, such as the hotel and other specialized in the field. Sometimes, fitness activities are done at the sports centers and recreational parks. Okay, so when you say wellness, it talks about the mentality of being healthy always. Be healthy, ano pa, as much as possible, dapat yung mentality ng wellness hindi mo kailangang magkasakit. No? That's the main goal. Pag sinabi natin wellness kasi, no, ito po yung mga may mentality na hindi masyadong reliant doon sa mga synthetic na drugs, no? So, the branch of medicine, okay, is known as, okay, naturopathy. Okay, naturopathic medicine. Siyempre, pag sinabi mong naturopathy, then natural po yan. Ano ang origin nito? Yung Eastern medicine. Okay? Ito po yung panahon ni uh, Hippocrates. Ibig sabihin, kasi naniniwala po sila na ang context at yung point of view po ng naturopathic medicine is that we have our cells, right? And our cells naturally develop, naturally differentiate, and naturally heals. Am I right? Pag nasugat ka, kahit wala ka gawin, you just give time to your cells, you just give time to your tissues, you just give time to your body, they will be healed. Tama po ba? And so, the uh, the what the naturopathy doctors promotes is that you just let it be. Okay? Kasi some of our doctors, of course, they promote naman the synthetic medicine. Just to give you a context, I will just uh, explain to you here the pharmacokinetics and the pharmacodynamics of uh, or the science no of drugs. Pinapaibsan ito ng synthetic drugs because synthetic drugs mabilis kung tumalab. Tama po ba? Maiibsan kaagad ang dinaramdam mo. Okay? So anong mangyayari yun, di ba? Kung napanood yung commercial ni John Lloyd Cruz, sakit ng ulo ko. Anong sabi niya? Kapag masakit ang ulo mo, mag-biogesic. Ingat. So, iingatan ka lang daw ng biogesic o ng paracetamol. pero after a few minutes, mawawala na. Okay? That's how effective drugs are. Halimbawa, ang target point ay yung head ng isang tao. Pag pumasok po ang drugs, okay, kung specific area lang yung kanyang pupuntiryahin. However, the doctors that promotes the supplements, okay, you don't need this one. Why? Because ito ang kanilang perspective. Since yung katawan mo ay natural yan na uh, tinutulungan ka, then you eat natural foods para i-enhance mo lang sila. Are you getting my point? That's why there are medical doctors that promotes health through organic supplements, herbal supplements. Yung iba nagtsatsaa lang, dinudurog yung bawang, dinudurog yung papaya, okay, or biniblender, okay, pinaghalong avocado, tapos saging, no? Because those are organic. And they found out that, siyempre, ano ba ang components ng cells natin? Diba? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Meron diyang carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay? These are known as the macronutrients and micronutrients. So, ito ba ay nasa halaman? Ito ba ay nasa gatas, nasa pechay, nasa gulay, nasa kinakain natin na natural? Yes. Ito ba yung mga kailangan ng cell para sila ay makapag-metabolize? Okay? Makapagbigay ng energy? Yes. Okay? So, kung binibigay mo yung kailangan ng cell, then, why take medicine? So, kung ibibigay mo kasi yung kailangan ng cell, kung gasolina ng cell ay macronutrient at micronutrients, then, there is a reduced possibility that you will acquire a disease. Because disease takes place when your body is weak. Tama? If you have a weakened body, then that's the time your cell will demand you. I need this, I need this. Pero pag hindi mo binigay, nanghihina na ako. Parang kryptonite yan. So ngayon, kapag kumain ka ng hindi kailangan ng cell mo, manghina yan. Pag nanghina yan, didamay niya yung ibang organs. Si cell, pag nanghina, idadamay niya yung tissue. Yung tissue, idadamay niya yung organs. Pag nasila yung organ, idadamay niya yung organ system. Pag nasira yung organ system, ikaw na tao ay masisira na din. What did you notice? These are known as the cell level of organization. Okay? Na ang tao ay binubuo ng organ system, organ, tissue, at cell. Sino ang pinaka-functional unit ng tao? Ang cell. Kapag okay ang cell, okay ang tao. Pag hindi okay ang cell, hindi okay ang tao. Nakuha? So, ano ba ang gasolina ng cell? Yung mga natural na bagay. So, in wellness, they are promoting this philosophy and this principle. Then, next, we have what we call the emergency. Emergency situations, such as acute heart attacks or severe traffic accidents, are completely different life situations. Persons suffering such emergency situations frequently require immediate assistance. As patients, they are usually brought to the emergency units of hospitals where they are diagnosed and treated by healthcare professionals. So ito naman yung mga biglaang inasma ka, inatake ka sa puso. Okay? Ito yung mga life situations na kailangan ng immediate medical treatment. That's why it is termed as emergency. Okay? Next, we have also acute diseases. Acute diseases, okay? Persons suffering from acute diseases also step out of their normal daily lives, at least to some extent. Okay, ang ibig sabihin ng acute, short lang. Okay? O kaya naman ay panandalian lang. The word disease, okay, is derived into two words. Is means not. Is means good. When you combine that together, okay, not good. Yung acute, cute siya. No? Okay? Kaya ang chronic, malala. Okay, pumapangit na. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng chronic. So, yung acute, panandalian lang, okay, short term, yung chronic, okay, long term na. Ito yung akala mo, okay ka ba? Yun pala, hindi na. Ganun po kasi yung disease. Diba? Yung sakit, akala mo, binibigyan ka ng taginhawaan eh. Disease is giving you relief. Ayan. Pero, actually, hindi pala. Diba sabi natin, ang tertiary prevention, you are reducing the negative implications of the disease. Okay? Saan ba natin ginagamit madalas ang rehab? Okay? Sa mga suspect o kaya mga users or consumers ng drugs. Okay? So, ang ginagawa mo, sabi nila dito sa definition, ang rehabilitation ay under ng tertiary prevention. Nakuha? Kasi, nire-reduce mo na yung negative implications ng drug effect sa katawan mo. Ibig sabihin, binabalik mo yung natural na neurotransmitters ng pangangatawan mo. Okay? So let us now move on the actual discussion of health system. According to our presentation slide, health system consists of all people, organizations, resources, finances, and management. All the activities whose primary purpose is to promote, restore, maintain what? Health. It is made up of various interconnected components, okay, to maintain the promotion, restoration, and maintenance of health. These are communities, pharmaceutical companies, and financing companies. So what do we mean by communities? Communities involves the people and the health system. Pharmaceutical companies, okay, these are responsible for developing, manufacturing, distributing essential medicines and vaccines. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Lahat ng mga ito naman ay nasa under na ng Westernian method, no, or Westernian era. Kasi totoo naman na-discover nila na napapabilis ng mapapabilis ang visa kung gagamit tayo ng mga synthetic. Yun naman po yung isang advantage ng mga Western itong mga pharmaceutical drugs na ito. No? Because the naturopathic medicine originated in China. It was in the eastern side of Earth. Tapos yung Western method na kung tawagin, ito na yan, yung gumagamit sila ng mga bakuna, which are also effective naman until today kasi na-prove naman natin yan using COVID, no? Yun nga lang kasi, meron talaga, hindi maiwasan kaya nga siya tinawag na synthetic, siyempre hindi natin maiiwasan, no, na may mga dapat, may mga inorganic chemicals po dyan na ilalagay, di ba? And we learn in the chemistry, biochemistry, gen chemistry that there are also risks of introducing inorganic elements in our body. Okay? Yan. And also financing companies. Okay, financing companies, they provide no funds, grabe, for healthcare services such as health insurance companies and government agencies that allocate resources. So medyo interesting pagka sinasabi nating funds, sobrang madaming namomotivate po diyan. Kasi sobra limpak-limpak na pera po ang kailangan diyan. So ibig sabihin, yung mga pera na kailangan natin ay yung mga pera na ito ay kailangan pala no para makapag-promote, okay, makapag-restore at ma-maintain ang kalusugan ng bawat Pilipino. We discussed last week na sobra, sobrang daming pera. Regardless, ang national budget ng DOH ay limpak-limpak na milyon po yan. Okay? At dapat ito may pagpatayo ng mga hospital. Dapat ito magamit upang makapag-promote ng kalusugan sa mga community na nasa kagubatan, okay, na nasa bukid, na masayang-masaya sila doon sa simpleng buhay. Maabutan po sila ng ah, mga medicines. No? Pero anong nangyayari? Wala po umabot sa kanila kasi pagbabayan mula po sa taas ng executive, pag bumaba yan, dadaan ng kongres yan. Pagbaba ng kongres, pupunta yan sa, siyempre, LGU, kay governor, tapos kay mayor, tapos pagka kay mayor, sa mga officers, mga regional officers, tapos hanggang sa maris niya si barangay captain. Barangay captain, o yun na. Pero mula dun sa taas, hanggang kay barangay captain, nabawasan na yung pera. Kasi, you just observe, no? Sa pagkakalam ko, dapat po ang mga hospital ay hindi substandard. Oh, dapat hindi po substandard. Dapat lahat ng hospital ay standard. Okay? Dapat high quality ang mga yan. Dapat, kung sinabi ng DPWH na within 4 years matatapos na ang hospital na to, hindi po dapat umabot ng 12 years. Tama po ba? Pero bakit kaya palagay ninyo umabot ng 12 years? Kasi ang reality po dito sa ating bansa, no, yun na, corruption. Kinukrakot yung budget diretso sa bulsa nila imbes na pagpatayo ng hospital. So napakasaya talaga, no? Have a heart to our fellow community, to our fellow, no, Filipinos, because they deserve also good health. Sino ba ang may pinakamarami na populasyon ng mga nagkakasakit? Usually yung mga nakatira sa mga lugar na hindi abot, mga indigenous people, okay? Yung hindi masyado na nasa city. This is also one of our assignments in the master's program. I'm taking up public health, and one of our tasks is to assess why mga indigenous people meron silang malnutrition. This is the common, no? Talagang hindi na matapos-tapos na problema. Kasi kung sino pa yung mga mahihirap, sila pa yung nakaka-acquire ng ganito. Dahil nga po yan sa kahirapan. Dahil na hindi lang po yan sa kahirapan po ng financial, kundi sa kahirapan ng kalusugan. Kasi imagine, no? If you are watching the documentary of Cardavid, ano bang kinakain ng mga mahihirap? Ang kinakain ng mga mahihirap, asin at rice. O kaya naman, cyclical sila. Tuyo, okay, nadaing, plus rice. Yan lang ang kinakain nila. Tapos sobrang dami pa nila. Imagine may pamilya, 10, no? 10 kayo na member. Tapos ito lang, cycle. So anong nutrition ang makukuha? Tama? Okay, anong nutrition ang makukuha? Wala. Kaya nang sabi natin kanina, ano ba ang bumubuo sa tao? Cell. Ibigay mo lang ang kailangan ng cell upang mabuo ang pagkatao mo. Pag malakas ang cell, malakas ang pagkatao mo. Pero kung hindi mo binibigay sa cell ang sapat na nutrisyon, then ikaw bilang isang tao, hindi mo rin makukuha at magagamit ang sapat na nutrisyon. Ang tawag doon ay malnutrition. Diba? Payat ka, nakahiga ka lang, hindi ka makatayo. Okay, what else? We have the healthcare providers. Okay, these are the professionals who deliver direct medical care, including doctors, nurses, and allied health workers in hospitals, clinics, and other facilities. Who are, okay, also the health service providers. These are the organizations, okay, that offer a range of healthcare services such as hospitals, primary care centers, and long-term care facilities. What else? Also, the OH, responsible for setting the policies, regulations, and standards. Okay, to continue, the goals of health system should be improving the health populations. The second goal of health system improves the responsiveness of health system, and the third goal of health system is to provide fair health financing. Okay, those are the goals of the health system. The four functions of health system are the health service provision, health service inputs, stewardship, and health financing. For the health service provision, no, the main goal is or are preventive, clinical, restorative, ano to? Palliative care to improve health. Okay? For the health service inputs, its role is to manage resources to produce health interventions. Stewardship, stewardship, this means overall system oversight. And health financing talks about raising and pooling resources to pay the health services. Okay? So for the health service provision, it includes a wide range of services such as preventive measures. Okay? Have that in mind, preventive measures. Stewardship involves the leadership and governance to coordinate and regulate health system, ensuring that policies are effectively implemented and that resources are used efficiently. Kung ang governance at leadership or stewardship wala, then sad to say, wala po talagang mangyayari. So, I hope nakikita ninyo how crucial, okay, good leaders and good governance is. Ang pinaka-goal ng health service inputs ay to deliver the effective health interventions, while health financing also it involves naman the affordable and accessible, okay, finances or funds in the community.